Hello, I'm Stuart. Here in the video, we will share the details for the crew error code 3_D7C2070F_8. As per our research, this error comes when players try to launch the game. Even some users have shared they can race, but if they pause the race, they receive the error upon continuing. According to our research, this is not an issue on the user's end. Instead, the error is caused by a game bug which shows this error to those who bought welcome packs on multiple platforms. In the video description, we have shared an official patch notice from the developers where they have notified the users that they have fixed this issue on their end, and the error should no longer come after purchasing the welcome pack on different platforms. So if you are getting this error, then make sure the game is up to date with its latest version. In case the game is up to date but you still have the error, then we advise you to reach out to the game support. They might have any further updates on the error. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.